Can you actually make good money with Uber Eats? I wanted to find out, so I did deliveries for 7 days to see if it's actually worth your time. I'm on a mission to test the best ways to save and make more money to reach my financial goals faster and help you do the same. This is the first of a 3-part Uber Eats challenge. It's so dark. I couldn't find this freaking house. But enough chatting, let's just dive into day 1 of the challenge to see how much I make. First, I had to fill up the gas tank so I can keep track of how much I'm spending in this challenge. All filled up. And then I was off to start my shift, and here's my strategy for the first night. I just parked at like a hotspot area. It's got things like Wendy's, McDonald's, Burger King, Chipotle, Taco Bell, Jersey Mike's, Five Guys, and I got an order. So here we go. That was so easy. I got it already. Kendra, I'm coming, Kendra. Here's dinner. Guys, first drop off complete. I feel like I'm on this quest. I feel important here. Very fun so far doing the first one. I was gonna go into this challenge and just accept every order that came in, but one just came in. It was a $7 order that I think I would have gotten $7, but it's like 40-minute drive there and back. That just seems kind of nuts. So I kept waiting for an order that I felt was worth my time, a reoccurring theme throughout the challenge. But then an order popped up I couldn't ignore. $5 footlong? Nah, pizza. The smells inside this place were making me hungry. The order was ready and I was off. Don't worry, Richard, I'm coming. Hey, you guys have never delivered to Walmart.
Richard L. says, meet in lobby.
Forgot to record in there, but Richard is really a sweet guy. Just a couple of guys putting in an honest day's work, am I right? Seriously though, he got like this sausage thing. It smells amazing. So it's been about an hour now since I first started. I've been hanging out at the Walmart for a little bit. Nothing's really come through. So I waited for a bit, then came to this realization. My hotspot isn't exactly a hotspot at the moment, so we might have to reassess day 2 of this challenge, but I'm kind of just gonna stick it out here. It is Monday, so maybe people just aren't ordering stuff on Monday. Confirmed. I kept waiting until we made it. We made it. It's so dark, but bag secured. I'm coming, Sean. Because this felt like a horror movie, I decided to head home. All right, guys, it's like 9 o'clock. I was only able to do 3 orders, so I'm gonna call it there for the night. I think I need to get a better strategy the next times I do this. I don't know, maybe it was like Monday and there was a lot of stuff. I'm hoping over the week I'm gonna be able to put 20 hours into that, and I think that hopefully that resonates with a lot of people that maybe use this as a side hustle to see like, hey, if I put in 20 hours a week, like what is that gonna net me? I just checked was that. But overall, like honestly, it was pretty fun, and it just got really dark. It was hard to see the mailboxes on the last one, but it was pretty fun. Honestly, I just felt like I'm doing like a service, like I'm on a mission. I'm helping these people, these hungry people. All right, it's the next morning and all my money came through, so I ended up making $27.68 last night for the 3 trips that I did. I was pretty surprised that it's more based on tips than what I was thinking. If you get a crappy tip, you're just not gonna make much money. But anyway, it comes out to be about $18 an hour. I'm gonna keep kind of updating this number throughout the challenge, which brings me right into day 2 of the challenge. Had to fill up the tank, but because of my other life commitments of being a dad, husband, a 9-to-5er, having coaching calls in my small personal finance business, I wasn't able to do 7 consecutive days, so here's the schedule of the challenge. I'm so excited to start day 2. All right, guys, it's Friday night. I posted up to the hotspot for 2 minutes, and I got an order. Got to go like 7 miles or something, but it says I'm gonna make $13 on my first one. Everyone's hungry out there. We got to feed people on Friday night. Let's go. Hello, Uber Eats. Laura, thank you so much. Have a good one. I'm coming, Laura. All right, guys, so I thought I was just doing 1 order. It gave me a second order. A little stressful. I thought I'd have a nice, easy Friday night, but the orders are popping, and they just kind of gave me one, so I got to make 2 orders now. Getting order number 2, pizza. The parking lot is a freaking disaster. I dropped off the first order. Thai food smelled incredible. All right, first order down, second to go. This was quite stressful. I wasn't expecting to just hop right into like a double order here. I've never done that before. It sounds really silly, but that was very stressful. Whenever our family orders pizza, our 4-year-old chants pizza, pizza. So I hope that was this family's reaction too. Third order coming in hot, and Fridays are nuts. Picking up an Uber Eats order. Thank you so much. Allison, here we go. All right, guys, craziness. I can finally give you an update. So it's been just wild. So I took the first order immediately, and they Uber Eats just gave me a second order on top of that. I did not accept it, but it makes sense now that I did it because they were just right next to each other. And I was on my way back to the hotspot. I clicked on another one, and now I'm in this beautiful neighborhood. It's like right on the water. But we're talking about money. When I started this day, I had 2 more quests to complete to get an extra $10. The one I just did, I think it's an extra quest, so I think I'm going to be getting an extra $10. Good choice. Can't go wrong. Sean, I'm coming, my friend, but the man ordered 3 milkshakes. Better not spill my car. All right, it is currently 8:43. I haven't really had much time recently to take a breath and figure out what was going on here. So I just did my 4th delivery to the 3 milkshake man, Sean. It's been a while since I've been to Five Guys. He combined the flavors of his milkshakes. That's insane. They look delicious. Enjoy them. Tonight I also got a $10 promotion. Finally, an opportunity to take a breather, but it was longer than I anticipated. Just got past 9 o'clock. I'm kind of surprised that Friday, it was bumping earlier, but now this part of the day is just not. I gotta say, just waiting here, I'm kind of poking around in the app, and they make this very addicting because they have all these challenges, and they, you know, dangle out some few extra bucks if you complete this many by this time or this day. And I could definitely see why people like do this all day long to try and get, like, it's rather addicting. It's addicting seeing the money on the screen, but I'm waiting for one more. Hopefully it's 9:05. I'm hoping for one more to come through so I can do it and then go to sleep. I did a couple laps around the hotspot, but literally no orders. So I went back home, gonna let everything sort of accumulate for the night, and I'm gonna check in the morning, see how I did. What's up, guys? It's the next morning, and I ended up making $48.80 for the night, which turned out to be $19 something an hour. So a little better than the first night that I did it. Let's do this next day. But little did I know the challenge would get harder, not easier. All right, guys, it's Sunday morning. It's like 3:45. I'm doing something a little crazy today, but I will not stop. I will not quit until I answer the question, can you actually make good money with Uber Eats?